where leaves rustle and exotic flowers bloom. A playful monkey swings from branch to branch. He's been laughing and chattering, full of energy and mischief. As the dusk settles, he finds a cozy nook in the treetops, his tail curled around a branch. Let's swing our arms, feeling the monkey's joyous spirit. Goodnight, acrobat of the treetops. Perched on a high branch, a colorful parrot preens her bright feathers. She's been singing melodies, her voice echoing through the canopy. As the stars begin to twinkle, she nestles in the crook of a tree, her head tucked under her wing. Can you flap your arms, mimicking the parrot's vibrant display? Goodnight, singer of the jungle choir. On the jungle floor, a majestic elephant walks with a gentle grace. His large ears flap softly, and his trunk sways as he moves. As the moon casts its silvery glow, he lies down in a bed of soft leaves, his deep breaths a soothing rhythm. Let's sway like the elephant, feeling the calm of the night. Good night, gentle giant of the forest. In the shadows, a tiger prowls silently, her stripes blending into the moonlit undergrowth. She's been guarding her territory, powerful and poised. As the night deepens, she finds a quiet clearing, settling down with a soft growl. Let's stretch out, embracing the tiger's serene strength. Good night, guardian of the moonlit jungle. Fluttering among the blossoms, a sloth hangs lazily, his slow movements a dance in the greenery. He's been savoring the day, unhurried and content. As the stars shine above, he curls up on a branch, his eyes closing gently. Can we stretch and yawn, relaxing like the sloth in the quiet of the night? Good night. Good night, dreamer of the canopy. The jungle now sleeps under the watchful eyes of the moon, each creature finding peace in the embrace of the night. You have helped them all find their rest. Well done, little jungle explorer. As the jungle lullaby surrounds you, it's time for you to drift into the soft clouds of your dreams. Close your eyes and let the sounds of the jungle carry you into dreams of green canopies and vibrant melodies. Good night, little one. Good night, enchanting jungle.